So I'm out exploring new territory and I found something new. And this is the things that I've been looking for in my area. I just gotta look, I guess. Huh? Hey guys, I am at the Mississippi River Overlook at the Trail of Tears National Park, and I'm like the only one here. I know it is Easter Sunday and I'm alone, and everybody else is probably with their families and things like that, but Jesse was at work, the kids are away, so I decided to go for a little drive, and I wanted to come here. I've been here once, probably last year, and just wanted to come back. I figured it'd be a peaceful day, have a nice drive. It has been raining, it is muddy, so I couldn't go for a hike like I wanted to, but we're just going to chill here for a little bit and enjoy the scenery. So check this out. Like I said, I'm pretty much the only one in the park. I seen a gentleman up on another viewpoint. Sounded like he was on the CB radio. Yeah, that's the only other person I've seen here. It's peaceful. So if you're not familiar with the area that I'm in Missouri, this is the Mississippi River, and this land over here is Illinois. So we're right here, and this is Illinois. Probably can't see it on here. Well, now it's gone. I think I seen a light down there. Huh. Disappeared. These hills are larger than I remember from last time. And it's hard to even tell the depth and the perception from a camera. But we're pretty high up here. I haven't seen any signs that tell you the elevation or anything like that, but it would be pretty interesting to know. Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming back later this year where the weather's a little warmer and everything's fully bloomed. It's April and it's been raining for, it seems like, a month straight. So it's not really that pretty. Things are starting to bloom, but there's a lot of down limbs and trees from all the weather we've had lately. Right as I was leaving, I seen another couple, and they said they seen a few others, but yeah, there's not a whole lot of activity today. Like I said earlier, it is Easter Sunday, and I'm sure everyone's out with their families having celebrations and things like that, most likely at church. But Jesse's at work, and I'm off for the day for once, and I just want to take a drive. I'm really looking forward to finding some trails and doing some trips with the Jeeps this coming summer. If I haven't told you, and I don't think I haven't posted a video in quite some time. Jessie did get a Jeep as well. She got a 2018 JK, and she is thoroughly enjoying it. She loves that thing, and I'm going to be doing some videos on the JK as well now. So yeah, I think we'll broaden our horizons on the YouTube channel to not only JKs but the XJs as well. Where the hell am I? Took a wrong turn in Albuquerque. Here's one of a few little picnic areas. It's a lookout point. Pretty beautiful sight right there. It's a nice area just to hang out. You got a little barbecue grill and picnic table. Looks like they just cut down a tree right here. So they have a boat ramp going into the river, which I wouldn't put a small boat in that river. That river scares me. The mighty miss. And they got a camping area over here, which I think is pretty secluded. Nice and peaceful over this way. They got bathrooms. They have a shower house right down the road that I passed, and it was pretty large, you know, for campers to go and shower and everything. So pretty neat area. Last year when I drove through here, it was pretty much just to go to the lookout point and we left. Now that I've actually done some exploring today, I realized that there's a lot more amenities here than what I expected and what I thought. So definitely an awesome camping area, hiking area. Seen some pretty long trails. I think I've seen one for like 9 miles for hiking, and it's just all around beautiful place. So I'm heading back into town. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you're in Missouri looking for a place to camp out, this is southeast Missouri, Cape Girardeau County. Come check it out. Trail of Tears National Park. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. So I'm out exploring new territory and I found something new. And this is the things that I've been looking for in my area. I just gotta look, I guess. Huh? Look at that. It's a pretty cool rock. Focus. It's a very cool place. I could hang out here for hours just by myself. But as I'm shooting photos, shit's falling from the top into the water. Alright, let's get the hell out of here.